Before you buy Diginius, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. If you're considering this software, you're probably already looking for a solution to streamline your digital marketing. But there are some important factors to keep in mind that could make or break your experience. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll tell you exactly how you can try Diginius for free with some exclusive benefits you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. First, it's essential to understand that Diginius isn't just another marketing tool. It's a comprehensive marketing optimization platform designed for businesses that want to level up their digital presence. Unlike many competitors that offer piecemeal solutions, Diginius integrates everything into one ecosystem. From SEO to PPC to social media management, it provides a holistic approach to marketing. But it's not just about integration, it's about actionable insights, and that's where Diginius stands out. Whether you're managing campaigns on Google Ads or social media platforms, Diginius provides a level of data-driven decision-making that competitors simply can't match. Next thing to know, while Diginius has a reputation for powerful analytics, its real strength lies in how it presents those insights. Unlike other platforms, which can overwhelm you with raw data, Diginius translates that data into clear, actionable steps. It's not just about showing you numbers. It's about telling you what to do next to optimize your campaigns. For new users, this approach can feel like a game changer because it saves you the time and energy of trying to decipher reports. The software's intuitive dashboard ensures that anyone, from beginners to advanced marketers, can easily navigate and understand the data. The third thing you need to know is how user-friendly the interface is. When you're comparing Diginius to other software like SEMrush or Ahrefs, you'll notice that the learning curve is significantly lower. Many platforms in the digital marketing space are loaded with jargon and have complex workflows that require hours of training. Diginius, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity without sacrificing functionality. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you won't be bogged down by unnecessary complexity. Now, the fourth thing to consider is its automation capabilities. Diginius allows you to automate a wide range of marketing tasks. This includes campaign management, bid adjustments, and even content optimization. But what sets it apart from others like HubSpot is the level of control it gives you. It doesn't just automate for you, it empowers you to customize automation to suit your exact needs. For businesses that want to save time without losing precision, this is a huge advantage. The fifth thing you should know is about its competitive intelligence features. Diginius doesn't just track your campaigns, it tracks your competitors as well. This is incredibly powerful for staying ahead in the digital marketing game. While platforms like SpyFu or SEMrush do offer competitive insights, Diginius pulls in data from a wide range of digital marketing channels to give you a fuller picture. It provides detailed analysis on competitor keywords, their ad copy, their landing pages, and much more. This makes it a valuable tool for adjusting your strategy based on real-time market trends. Next, the sixth thing to consider is the software's pricing structure. While it's not the cheapest tool on the market, the value it offers for businesses looking to scale their marketing efforts makes it worth the investment. Unlike other tools that charge based on the number of users or features, Diginius pricing is more flexible, allowing businesses to scale without breaking the bank. Plus, you get access to a wide range of features at every tier, which is a huge plus when compared to competitors who lock advanced features behind higher paywalls. Finally, you should know that Diginius isn't just about the software, it's about the support. The company offers an excellent customer service experience, providing you with access to onboarding support, training materials, and responsive customer care. While some competitors might leave you on your own once you're on board, Diginius ensures you get the help you need to succeed. The team behind the software is passionate about ensuring users get the most out of their tools, and it shows in the level of service they provide. So, if you're considering buying Diginius, keep these 7 things in mind. From its powerful analytics to its user-friendly interface, competitive intelligence, and pricing structure, Diginius offers a robust marketing solution for businesses looking to scale their digital efforts. If you want to try out Diginius for yourself, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits that you won't want to miss. Don't miss out, check it out now and take your marketing to the next level.